guys, today I'd like to show you my new square gift box. It's quite easy to make and it looks great. You will need any type of glue or double-sided tape. We can make our box from usual printer paper or from stiff paper, cardstock. I will use not very thick paper. So, let's start from the lid. Measure 7.5 centimeters. This is the width of my box. And then measure 5 centimeters, the height of my box. If you need another size of the box, just change these measurements accordingly. Now, again, measure 7.5 centimeters or the necessary width of your box. Then 5 centimeters or the necessary height of your box. And once more 7.5 centimeters or the width of your box. If you use stiff paper, you can cut along these diagonal lines. And if your paper is thin or you want to make a very neat box, I offer you to fold these triangles inside. Later I'll show you. It's time to make the second part of our lid. The easiest way is to trace the first part. As I said, my paper isn't thick, so I will make it more stiff by gluing extra pieces of the paper over here. Now it's time to assemble. And the last part is to make an inner part of our box. Be very attentive, because the inner part of the box holds the lids together. And it should be a few millimeters smaller. I mean, if the height of your box is 5 centimeters, then the height of the inner part must be 4.8 centimeters. Otherwise, these three parts won't stay together. Finally, you can decorate your box with paper or satin ribbon. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.